I'm going to show you what it looks like to log in here. Everybody has a unique username and password. I'm going to go ahead and log into PSTrax, and we'll blow this up so you can see this in a big screen here. Now, this is our demo site. So we have every module represented here in our demo site. So again, keep that in mind. If you're only interested in the vehicle module, you're only going to see the vehicles. If you're only interested in SCBA or PPE, that's all you're going to see over here. But we have all of the modules represented over here. So you can see we've got some vehicles, our stations. We've even got a COVID-19 checklist in here, SCBA and critical assets. I'm just going to kind of get you familiar with the home screen. If you're with us already, just bear with me while I show those of us who have never seen this real quick here. So here's the list of scheduled items that are due for the day. Right here in the middle are our alerts. And like I did say, this is the backbone of the platform. This is what keeps everybody on the same page. This is what's going to replace all of those redundant emails that you're sending out, the sticky notes, or what I hear more commonly, the fact that people just don't tell what's going on at all. And 3 weeks later, you've got a big issue and nobody notified you of that. This is what's going to take care of that issue for you. And then this is our journal. Now the journal is really, look at this kind of as a virtual whiteboard. Okay, this is what's gonna notify, like if you have, maybe a training coming up, or if you wanna identify emergency calls, maybe you're gonna go back to doing station tours this year now that COVID's kind of in the background a little bit and school tours are coming through again. You can notify all of this information right here